Hello my loves, Sundown here coming at you with another video, and in this video you can see we had some stuff going on. Okay, so this is my homemade powerhouse tea. All of the ingredients and herbs used will be found on my blog, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. But first I am going to go ahead and extract all of the wonderful things from these herbs by boiling in water. As you can see, something happened. We'll get to that in a second, but first I'm going to stir this up, make sure everything is well incorporated, and bring to a boil. Now I let this boil on the stove for about 15 minutes. I didn't want to let it boil for too long, and when I say 15 minutes I mean from start to finish. From start to finish, this is what we were dealing with. So as you can see right here, the water is changing colors, but not really. I want it to be a deeper, darker, richer color. Yes, so you can see here it's starting to darken up for us. And yes, the cinnamon is absolutely amazing with these bay leaves, ginger, sage leaf, and like I said, I'm not about to just tell you everything. Check out the blog. Yeah, so anywho, this has got to the place that I kind of sort of wanted to be, so I'm turning the heat down slowly. I don't just turn the heat off all at one time. I turn it off gradually, like turn it down slowly and slowly. Yes, because I want the rest of any little thing that's in there to go ahead and come out. So now turn the stove off altogether. This is where we went wrong. Now at this point I didn't really realize that there was a crack around the rim of this one. I'm not gonna lie, we've had this one forever. Do you guys have anything in your house that's just like you just don't want to let it go? Well, this is one of those things, and it forced me to let it go today. Okay, so this is my sifter. I love this sifter. I always have like a couple of these on deck. Yeah, everything's clean out of there, but yeah, I normally have a couple of these on deck, and at this point I'm just now noticing the crack that's on the side, but it's too late, it's already in there. So I'm like, this can't, please don't break. And then this happens. Well, words cannot even begin to describe how irritated I was, because you guys, at this point it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. My whole family is sleeping, so I had to make an entire different batch from jump. I started all over. So don't say I don't love y'all, and if you in these comments you got something smart to say and I say something smart to you, then you know why, because girl, I went through stuff making this. Okay, stuff. So now I'm adding some pure rose nectar, and that's not necessarily my sweetener, but it adds a really good flavor to me. I don't like adding sugar because it just ruins everything, and it lowers the vibration for me. This is my high vibration tea. It calms me and relaxes me. So if you guys want more videos like this, leave it in the comments below, and make sure you check out that blog, subscribe to the channel, and yeah girl, bye girl, try it girl.